Hi everyone, this is Vivien, CPO at BingX. Today I'm given a fun challenge to guess where the ball is in the series of pictures. I will try my best. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I got the first one. There are 4 locations, but it's too hard. I'll try my best. Maybe it's here. Yes, I got it right. Okay, next one. I have more confidence. Okay, where's the ball? What's your guess? Maybe here? Oh no, it's like quite far away. Okay, next one. There are 3 players fighting for the same ball. I guess it's here, maybe? Yes, bingo! Okay, this is the last one. Where is it? I have no confidence in myself. Follow the eyes, then it should be here. Okay, let's see. Yes! Thank you for joining me today. It's a fun challenge. The key takeaway is always keep your eye on the goal, both in trading and in football. See you next time. Bye-bye.